Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best microwavable meals are probably one of the most convenient and time-saving options for busy individuals and families looking for a quick and satisfying meal solution, offering a wide variety of flavors and cuisines that can be prepared in just a few minutes, making them an ideal choice for lunches at work, quick dinners after a long day, or even snacks when hunger strikes, ensuring you never have to compromise on taste or nutrition when you're short on time. Number 5. 50-pack reusable meal prep containers with lids. Prepare your meals in advance with these durable food storage containers. Their strong construction ensures they won't crack, and the leak-proof lids prevent any spills, keeping your bag or freezer mess-free. These containers are safe for the freezer, ensuring your prepared meals maintain their original flavor, color, and texture. They also prevent freezer burn and the absorption of unwanted odors. Enjoy the convenience of warming your food directly in these microwave-safe containers. Whether at home, the office, or college, you can prepare, package, and heat your meals all in the same dish. Made from BPA-free and food-grade PP material, these containers are safe for you and the environment. They are reusable, dishwasher-safe, and recyclable for easy disposal. This bulk pack of 50 containers is ideal for catering services, restaurants, or food trucks. Their stackable design allows for mess-free transportation, ensuring happy customers. These single-compartment containers are perfect for portion control and healthy eating. They make it convenient to pack nutritious meals for work, school, or any outing. What we like? These are perfect for meal prepping and portion control. If you're looking for a sustainable and reliable way to store and reheat your meals, these are a great choice. They are ideal for busy individuals, students, or anyone who wants to save time and money by preparing meals in advance. What people say. They microwave well and take 4-minute sessions in my 1100-watt microwave with no issues or noticeable warping. They are dishwasher safe and store approximately enough for one meal for one person. Very sturdy and the lids lock. Love them. Number 4. Hormel Compleats Meatloaf and Gravy Meal. Craving a taste of home? Our meatloaf and gravy with mashed potatoes offers that classic comfort you love. It's a delicious and satisfying meal, ready in minutes. Enjoy the rich flavor of tender meatloaf smothered in savory gravy, perfectly paired with creamy mashed potatoes. This meal is designed to be both hearty and delicious. No time to cook? No problem. This meal is incredibly easy to prepare, just pop it in the microwave for a quick and convenient option. Perfect for busy days. Each tray provides a perfectly portioned meal, ensuring you get just the right amount of deliciousness. It's a satisfying choice for lunch or dinner. Bring the comforting taste of a home-cooked meal to your table, anytime you want. It's a convenient way to enjoy a familiar favorite. Stock up on these convenient meals for a ready-to-go option whenever hunger strikes. They are a great addition to any pantry for easy meal solutions. What we like? This offers a quick and satisfying meal solution. If you're craving a taste of home and need something warm and filling in a hurry, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those late nights or when you just want a simple, no-fuss dinner. What people say. The food is ready in 3 minutes. The food is very tasty and delicious. The food is easy to prepare. Number 3. My College Crate Microwave Snack Care Package. Introducing the ultimate snack care package, perfect for anyone. It's packed with a huge variety of delicious treats. Enjoy the convenience of microwavable favorites like ramen and mac and cheese. Quick, easy, and satisfying snacks are just minutes away. Whether you're a kid or an adult, there's something here for you. We've included a wide selection of popular snacks. Get ready for a flavor explosion with 50 individual snack items. This bulk variety pack ensures you'll always have your favorites on hand. Indulge in a diverse mix of savory and sweet. From hearty ramen and cheesy mac and cheese to crunchy chips, chewy granola bars, and delightful candy, your cravings will be satisfied. This care package is ideal for college students, busy families, or anyone who loves a good snack. It's the perfect way to stock up and enjoy. What we like? This is an excellent option for stocking up on dorm room essentials. If you need a wide assortment of quick snacks and meals for college students or a large group, this variety pack has something for everyone. It's ideal for care packages or keeping hunger at bay during study sessions. What people say. The food is ready in 3 minutes. The food is very tasty and delicious. The food is healthy and nutritious. Number 2. Chef WO Roasted Chicken Ramen Cup. Introducing Chef WO Roasted Chicken Ramen Cup. A convenient and flavorful meal packed with protein. Enjoy these high-protein noodles, perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. They provide 20 g of protein per serving. Our unique formula uses animal-free, bioavailable protein. It's a healthier choice for you and the planet. Proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and freshness in every cup. This 12-pack is perfect for stocking your pantry. Enjoy delicious ramen anytime you need a quick meal. What we like. This is a fantastic choice for a quick, protein-packed meal. If you're looking for a convenient and flavorful noodle option that's also good for you, this is it. It's perfect for a fast lunch or a satisfying snack when you need energy. What people say. Each cup delivers a hefty 20 g of animal-free, bioavailable protein, which is amazing. The roasted chicken flavor is rich and savory, and the noodles are perfectly cooked, not too soft, just the right amount of chew. The fact that they're made in the US and contain such high-quality ingredients gives me even more confidence in this brand. Number 1. Campbell's Homestyle Chicken Noodle Soup. Introducing Campbell's Homestyle Chicken Noodle Soup, a comforting classic. Enjoy the rich, savory broth and tender chicken. Each serving comes in a convenient 15.4 ounces microwavable bowl. Perfect for a quick and easy meal anytime. Packed with delicious noodles and vegetables, it's a satisfying meal. Experience the homemade taste you love. This case includes 8 individual bowls. Stock up and always have a warm meal ready to go. Bring the taste of home to your table with this classic chicken noodle soup. It's simply delicious. When you need a quick and nourishing meal, this soup is the perfect choice. It's ready in minutes. What we like. This provides a comforting and traditional soup experience. If you love the taste of classic chicken noodle soup and want a convenient, single-serving option, this is ideal. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a warm, soothing meal on a chilly day. What people say. Quick, fast and tasty. Easy to heat up and eat. It is easy to store and or take to office. No need to empty container, just bring your spoon. Taste is true to homemade. I recommend stirring it, then emptying some of the water out before heating. I usually leave about half the container and heat it for 1.5 minutes. New, I received the above soup in a new packaging. Instead of the metal removable cover, there is a plastic top that you can easily rip, which is a nice improvement. The other improvement is the writing on the outside can also be easily ripped before placing into microwave, which I also thought was a nice touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.